In today's video, we're going to take a look at timing in PayPal and why I also run the timing cycles, because they're extremely helpful about when to anticipate, a possible or lower high being made. Now, in this case, when we were going straight down and I really didn't have much in the way of price support, I did run, I did run this timing from one of the prior highs and came up with these dates for a possible low and reversal. Now, it didn't have to happen. It could have just continued going lower, okay? But if you combine this with a signal that tells you that it's worth looking at the buy side, then it can be extremely helpful, okay? So yeah, it didn't really combine very well with anything on the price axis of the market, but the time axis did tell us to anticipate a possible low and reversal, and this ended up being a beautiful reversal. Yesterday we had a pullback decision to look at in this one, because you can see that after this bearish pattern of lower lows and lower highs for such a long time, we finally took out a prior swing high. You had the moving average crossover, and when that happens, you can either be a buyer when that occurs and risk under here, or you can wait for a pullback and then define your risk, for example, underneath this cluster or underneath this low. So bottom line, we want to coordinate the timing work with the price work. Now, as far as what you have to look at next in this case, now PayPal could continue higher, but I do have resistance that you want to be aware of that comes in at 80.97 to 81.31, and then 81.93 to 82.16. Now, it might not fail at this resistance, but it's really a good idea after you've had such a dramatic comeback here, and it's only similar to this prior rally swing. It's a really good idea to ratchet up stops if you're still long.